In this video, I'll show you how to transfer the ownership of a Google Ads account and an important detail many users overlook. Google Ads does not have a single transfer ownership button like some platforms. Instead, ownership is effectively managed by assigning admin access to the new person and ensuring they control the account going forward. Start by signing into your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon at the top of the dashboard. Under the Setup section, select Access and Security. In the Users tab, make sure the person who will take over the account is listed. If they are not, click the plus button to invite them using their Google email address. Assign them the admin role, which provides full control over settings, billing, and user management. Once they accept the invitation and become active, they will have the same administrative authority as the previous owner. After confirming access, the original owner can reduce their own role or remove their access if necessary. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.